Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
We are making some final preparations and put the boat from house mode back into sail mode again. After almost 20 months, we are leaving this paradise.
We have to get Michael up again because our flag broke. Our Madeiran flag. Our Madeiran flag. So the line cannot take it down anymore.
Hello.
Pull on the lines.
Put the line loose, mark it from the rail.
Okay. And only the Portuguese flag is up again. The Madeira flag is really half.
I guess a half
Just
of
for the
Madeira
cross.
is a half Madeira Porto Santo.
And this broke, so yeah. Stuff to do while it's sunny.
Yeah, well, we got a good day.
We are preparing some food for our passage.
Yeah, well, it works when you put the stove on the gimbal. And this has been a really great thing, this multi-cooker. I love it. Pasta sauce. Who did that thing?
What did you do?
Cut off my mustache. Getting tired of it getting in my soup and my pasta and everything. But it was fun while it lasted. I can do it again. Didn't take too long.
Being already 3.5 months in the water, Michael's checking the hull, clean up a little bit before we leave. If we leave. Today it's a quiet day. There will be some southwesterly coming in tomorrow again. Get the Christmas lights off. More preparations. Or freezer, fridge, Dometic. It's just keep on freezing. It says it's 36 degrees. We did this before.
Yeah.
How long do we have that thing? 6 years?
Yeah.
The second time it you have to replace the thermostat.
The thermistor, they call it.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Comes up here, comes back down there, and goes to that. Now, if I look at the one on here, it's a different connector. So I had to do that last time. So I'm going to have to do that again.
And so it's because it's a chateau near my parents.
Where's it at?
In the southwest. It's near Bordeaux.
Okay.
It's about an hour inland from Bordeaux, up the Dordogne River, and about an hour from where my parents lived. And so it's a chateau we'd go to regularly to get lots of wine. And this one is kind of specifically made for festive occasions and namely for foie gras.
Aurélien and Louise from Hirondelle invited some friends to share their last tin of homemade foie gras and a special bottle of wine from their home area that goes perfectly with it.
Yeah, I think so.
It evaporated.
No. Ah, you didn't get less? Okay.
Oh wow,
Obrigado.
it smells brilliant.
Do you have yourself?
Yeah.
Don't forget yourself.
Color.
Santé?
Yamat.
Yamat?
Thanks for the invitation.
On the fair wind.
Yes. Fair winds.
Yeah.
We don't need fair wind.
Wow.
Yep.
And this is the foie gras.
Oh.
And
You can. It's for mixing with the wine.
This
Yes,
is the foie gras.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ideally
We can
that
eat
one.
the same time.
And this, so it's my mom's foie gras. It's a mix of pork, duck, and truffle, and long arms.
But thank you so much. I thought you were a vegetarian.
Is it also from Bergerac?
There is an exception.
Yeah, but I mean, my family makes foie gras. So,
It's different things.
not often. I eat it once every 2 years. Yes, I tasted one to make sure it was okay. Nobody's going to die.
Your family does it privately or
Privately.
Is this also
There are
from
people,
No,
like
private.
I have cousins who
from
do it
Bergerac?
professionally, but
also
no,
from
my
Bergerac?
family do it privately.
Just yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, near, more towards Sarlat. For
Yep.
what that's worth. Yeah. And
What's on?
did it come out of the tin like this, or did you do
it came out of the tin.
Oh, it's not with butter or.
No,
No.
no. It's
Wow.
it's that there's duck grease and
Yep.
pork grease and truffle, and then there's a
Lekker.
little bit of salt and pepper. Basically. That's it.
Oh, what?
And it's from
Oh, you can smell it.
2017, so normally the
Oh,
truffle
yeah.
has,
When I'm
had
done, you
time
can lick
to
my finger.
infuse.
Yeah, you never say what it is, just eat one.
Or smell it.
Just
It's
eat one.
testicles.
Just eat one. They're pretty sad testicles. If these are testicles, they need to be.
Would anyone like more of this one?
Not sure.
And then we have to go back to the wine.
A little fishy.
Liver.
Before the end of the year.
No.
No.
Not even.
An expression, a stupid expression that when
No,
you're
it's
ready
much
to
more
go,
disgusting
kind
than
of finish the bottle.
It's French. It's much more disgusting than that.
You guess what is that?
No, it's not French.
No.
It is the
Nobody gets
smokiness indeed of the yield.
Smoked fish kind of thing.
American stuff is not French.
Oh,
Yeah.
The hint of the oyster in it as well, which
that's not an oyster.
No, a mussel?
Really, canned oysters.
It's so sweet.
Oh man, the last time I smoked an oyster, I was high for 3 weeks, man.
that's really an oyster.
Yeah. I wouldn't have thought so either. I'm gonna try another oyster.
Sorry for you. After what we just.
Planning to leave tomorrow. Busy with predict winds, when to go, and which way to go tomorrow. So it's gonna be a busy day.
That's probably the one we'll take there.
Going more east.
Yeah, it gets there quicker, and that's. But if we leave later, then it's telling us to go the other way. Oh, that's this one here that's running the ECMVF. He's saying to go straight down.
And the GFS.
GFS is saying to go out.
Preparations! We're leaving tomorrow. So get the dinghy on board. We cleaned it. There was nothing to clean, but we cleaned it. The condoms for the pins. I think so. First, pump it up. Pump it up, pump it up. Down, get the halyard on the railing again. Pull it tight. Oh, it's behind the.
Oh. Good call.
Yeah. It was behind the spreader.
Yeah.
Get the wedding dress on. You get on that side.
I'm on this side.
Get the wedding dress on. This to the front. Put the solar panels up. Tie it down.
Tie this down.
Drop the solar panels. Get the poles out. Morning of departure.
We're sailing together with our friends IJsbrand and Brechtje on their steel ketch Luna. Also, Brechtje's father, Robert, is aboard for this passage. First, Luna is getting out of their marina berth.
Ciao!
We had help from Shane and Em from Cadenza to get our lines free from the mooring ball.
A little help to untie the mooring lines, the extra safety lines and stuff. Luna is already out. Hirondelle is going in, back again. Time to go. Till the next time. Yeah, hopefully. Okay. We'll see you. Some laps here, so you want to check the schroefas?
Yeah. Right now, just get the line through.
Okay. We will make some laps. Fishy!
Okay, I'll have to keep an eye on.
Okay. Then we go through.
Yeah.
came to say farewell, waving and blowing their horns. It was heartwarming. In the time that we've been in Porto Santo, we've made some really good friends.
Till the next time!
Goede vaart!
Hasta próxima! Adios, amigos!
Bye! Love you!
Ciao, ciao! See you in a couple hours! Everyone was so happy that we were finally leaving. Onwards to Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. Bye-bye, Porto Santo. Till the next time. We're going sailing with our friends on La Luna.
Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Hey, hey, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.